Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 7th. Me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed at Bera Foundation College Naushar Firoz. Subject teacher computer. Dear students, today we are going to learn another practical that is based on the Microsoft Word. So to open Microsoft Word, we should press Window key from our keyboard and we will bring the cursor on Microsoft Word to 2007 and press enter key. So dear students, when we will apply these steps, Microsoft Word will be opened in front of us and we will click on Home tab. So on Home tab there are different options present that enable us to do practical on Microsoft Word. So dear students, you see that here is the first column in which calibri body is typed. So this option enables us to use the style of the font. So dear students, when you will click on this option, a menu will appear. This menu consists of different styles of the fonts that we will have to use in our document. Here you see that there is the number 10. It means this option enables us to fit the size of our fonts. Okay dear students, second one is font grow. So this option enables us to increase the size of the font. And similarly option is also present beside this option. This option, you see that here is the A that is in capital form, and here there is the A of capital alphabet, but the size of this A is small as compared to the first one A. So the size of the A, the large size of the A enables us to increase the size of the font, while the small size of the A enables us to decrease the size of the font. Okay dear students. Secondly, there is clear formatting. This feature will enable us to clear all the formattings from the selection, leaving only the plain text. So dear students, this feature will enable us to clear all the text from the document. For example, we are going to type here we have typed here some text or some words, and we will apply on this feature. So we will have to select, we will apply this feature. First of all, to apply this feature, we should select the text and then click on the Home tab, and we will click on the clear formatting. Okay dear students. So clear formatting enables us to clear the formatting from the text selection, leaving only the plain text, and beneath the clear formatting there is the font color. This feature enables us to give the color to the font. This feature enables us to give the color to the font. For example, here you type A. Okay, dear students, when you will click this font color feature, it will enable us to give any color to our font. For example, here you want to give green color to your font, and we will click on the font color feature and we will click on the green color and click on the green color. So, dear students, the letters or the fonts that we have typed here have been given the green color. So, dear students, there are some features or techniques in Microsoft Word that enable us to format or document or edit a document. Here, text highlight color. Okay, dear student, this one feature enables us to make the text look like it was marked with a highlighter pen. And dear students, this one is change the case subscript. Change the case means this feature will enable us to change the case. For example, here we have typed A and 3 times small a. So when we will click on a lowercase, all will be typed as in small alphabet. Okay, dear students, if you are going to use uppercase, all will be in capital alphabet. So, dear students, these are the features that enable us to do the practical, or these features enable us to edit or format document very well and easily. And dear students, in this line you will have to define subscript and strike through feature. So dear students, you will have to apply the function of these on these features and send me what is the function of subscript feature and subscript. What is the function of the subscript feature? Send me its function in voice message on our WhatsApp group. Your lecture is ended here and we will meet in coming up lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.